Alright. Asking for directions. Kuzey, güney, doğu, batı. You should repeat them because there is no trick to learn them that I know of. Maybe you can use a compass to write on it like K, G, D, B. Yep. Basic phrases in this subject can be summarized with git, go. You saw this many times already. İleri, dümdüz, ileri, doğru, go straight. Yürü means walk. Sağa dön means turn right because dön means turn. Sağ means right, sol means left. Geri dön, turn back. Burada dur, bura, bu, here, burada. Stay here, stop here, dur. Bekle means wait. Oraya git means go there. Yukarı means up, aşağı means down. And how you ask directions? Well, you use questions. Nerede? Where is something? Burası nerede? Where is this place? Like, no, it's not like that. Burası neresi? What is this place if you want to ask? If you are lost. And hangi yol means which way. Another word you can ask is nasıl giderim? How can I get there? Also, bana yardım eder misiniz? Can you help me? Landmarks and locations. Street is cadde. Road is sokak. Çıkmaz sokak is dead end. Square is meydan. Bridge is köprü. Köprü. Park is park. Restaurant is restoran. Store is mağaza or bakkal, market. Bus stop is otobüs durağı. Dur, you see, dur. Stop. Somewhere here. Yes. Dur. Otobüs durağı. The place otobüs stops. Otogar is gar of auto. Bus. Bus station. Train station. Tren istasyonu. Airport. Havalimanı. Hava is air. Liman is port. ATM is bankamatik or ATM. Direct, right? Police is police. And the numbers are 1555. You can also maybe be able to call them with 911. I tried, it worked. Hospital is 112. Fire station is 110. Hospital is hastane. Hasta means ill, by the way. It is not what, by the way. Ne here. It was like this. Hastahane. The house of sick. And it got shortened to hastane. İtfaiye is fire station. Okay, distance and proximity. Uzak means far. Yakın means close. İleride means ahead. Köşede means around the corner. Köşe. Köşe is corner. Köşe. Karşı means across the street. Karşı. Karşıda. It's at across the street. For example. Yanındayım is I'm next to it. For example. Okay. Yanındayım is I'm next to it. Yes. Giving directions. Buradan, oradan. Turn right at the first street. İlk, first, sokak, you know, street. Sağ, dön, turn. Köprüyü geçtikten sonra sola dönün. Turn left after crossing the bridge. By the way, at the end of this lesson, this part, about directions, there's a game that you will enjoy. So let's study this part good, and so that you will play this game more efficiently and you will learn while playing. Köprüyü geçtikten sonra sola dönün. Köprü is bridge. Geçmek is passing. Sonra means later, after. Sol, left, dön, turn. Köprüyü geçtikten sonra sola dönün. Yaklaşık, approximately 2 kilometre ileride olmalı. It should be 2 kilometer ahead. 2 kilometers ahead. Giderken solunda. While you're going, you'll see it on your left. It's like giderken, while you go, it's on your left. Giderken solunda, giderken sağında. Birinci sol, first left. Birinci, first. You got it. Üçüncü sağ, third right. Turn on the third right. Üçüncü sağdan dön. Turn from the third right. Like you see a street to the right, you are not passing. Second street, you are not passing. And third, yes, you are turning there. Bir değil, iki değil, üçüncü yapamam. People can also say like that. Not first, to help you understand. Not the first, not the second, third. Not the first, not the second. Bir değil, iki değil, üçüncü apartman. Third apartment building. Expressing distance. Yaklaşık olarak x. Kilometre, metre. Approximately. Yaklaşık olarak. Buradan, from here, yaklaşık olarak approximately 500 meters far. How far is it from the city center? Şehir merkezine ne kadar uzaklıkta? Examples. Buradan düz git. Dört yoldan, dört yol, dört yol or roads. It's crossroad. It's on your left after 200 meters. And lastly, from here, turn right from the lights. Işık means light. İkinci sokak, second street, left turn. And it will be right on the corner. Yes, here is the game. There are questions. there is the instruction, and here shop, I mean in Turkish. You should find where is this yourself. And by understanding which one is like meaning that specific shop, because in Turkish it means something. It can be market or supermarket or something else which you will see here. Instructions. In this game, you can ask anyone where is something and tell them where you are at the moment. Let them explain. They also can ask you. But hey, you know where's everything, so you should be fine. You just don't know where is the shop. I mean, you know actually where is the shop, but you just don't know in Turkish. All right. So just do that while talking in Turkish.